employees, we have a very special employee that we are honoring next on his retirement. And that is a good friend of Orange, our canine dog, Hondo, who is retiring from public service. You may have heard Hondo in the background. And we have a proclamation for Hondo, and perhaps is Officer Johnson with him? Is he going to come up now and hear his proclamation?
Here he comes.
Here he comes. All right. Here comes Hondo. He's very excited. Look, he can hardly wait. There we go. All right. With this recognition, of course, we honor his handler, Officer Ryan Johnson, as well. I'm going to read it to you just to let everyone know what a canine dog does in our city to protect our community. This very special dog, Hondo, a German Shepherd, trained for patrol service, tracking, and narcotics detection, entered into service with the Orange Police Department in April of 2006, 7 years ago. Whereas over the past 5.5 years, Hondo has been instrumental in the assistance with and apprehension of numerous criminal suspects, sniffing out large quantities of illegal drugs, and the seizure of a large amount of cash related to the sale of drugs. He has participated in over 900 searches at crime scenes, high-risk vehicle stops, alarm activations, and drug searches. And whereas Hondo has represented the City of Orange in approximately 100 public demonstrations for schools, churches, scout troops, and other civic organizations, with an audience totaling approximately 5,000 persons. Well, so he's used to it. Sorry, Hondo, it's a small crowd today. In addition, Hondo has participated in several canine competitions and has received the following awards. 2008 Redondo Beach PD Canine Trials, second place in man work. 2009 Redondo Beach Canine Trials, third place in man work and fifth place in narcotics. 2009 Riverside Sheriff's Canine Trials, third place in article search. 2010 Redondo Beach Canine Trials, first place in obedience, second place in narcotic article search, second place in narcotic vehicle search, and third place overall in narcotics. Whereas it should be noted, most of these competitions involved well over 50 other canines, so Hondo has represented the Orange Police Department very well. And whereas at work, Hondo provided an extra measure of safety for the Orange police officers and saved the City of Orange hundreds of man-hours by entering crime locations and searching them quickly, efficiently, and safely. And whereas this valued and protected canine has reached an age which has precluded him from continuing service with the Orange Police Department, Hondo is retiring to live with the family of his handler and friend, Officer Ryan Johnson. So now, therefore, it's my pleasure as Mayor of the City of Orange, on behalf of our entire City Council, to express sincere appreciation to Hondo, a real hero, for his 5.5 years of loyal and dedicated service to the City of Orange, and wish Hondo a richly deserved retirement with many healthy, happy, and carefree years ahead. And it's dated today, August 27th, 2013. And we'll bring this award down to the officer to present to Hondo.
Go ahead.
Yeah, Dennis wants to go last.
This is Larry.